Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Let us now track the way ahead. Rather, I would add one more word in detail for the NEET 2025 exam. Now, as it is on the social media everywhere, we are going frenzy with RCB winning the cup for the first time. Proud of you, RCB. Great to go. But there was another notice which was a bit concerning for all the medicos was that a news article is circulating that the tentative day of exam is going to be 3rd of August 2025. Now, please let me make it very clear. This word is tentative. It's not yet confirmed, but let us have a plan as per 3rd August 2025. Now, if you track from today, that is 4 June 2025 to 3rd August 2025, you are getting a very good window of 60 days. Now, how to approach the 60 days? Let me first split this time into two groups for two different set of students. One student who gave the recent CBT and have a score more than 600 versus students who scored less than or equal to 600. Okay. So those who scored more than 600, let us first look into the strategy for you guys. First and foremost, please be careful of burnout, anxiety, and pressure. Please be very careful about these things. From yesterday till now, I got many messages of such students who have scored more than 600 and they are mentioning that agar exam 15 June ko hota, we would have done excellent. It's okay. Exam is not in your hand, na? So there is no point in thinking all of that. See, you have already achieved a very good score, but you need to have a maintenance of it. So suppose if you stand over here at 600, you have only three paths for you. One path is your score goes up. Here, one path is your score stays stable. One path is your score drops. So you should ensure that your score has to take a positive leap. It should not say constant or it should not drop. And that is the reason for you the best approach is retrospective study. Which means if this is one day for you, you divide it into three parts of 4 hours each. In this span, in this period of 4 hours, you should give a test of 200 questions. Now, these 200 questions can be a GT, a CT, a TND, a SWT, a custom module. You put any name, I'm not bothered. 200 questions. And this 4 hours, you review the errors. Because you would be actually able to understand the small mistakes which you are doing, which will fine tune your progress. Okay, and the rest 4 hours is a open session where you can go for revision of DVT or some weak topics which you have. You should keep doing it. See guys, be very clear. You need to ensure that your curve goes up. Yeah. So please do not have all these queries that momentum loss हो गया है, क्या करेंगे, repeat होगा या नहीं. See, these are not under your hands. So फालतू का ना, don't think useless things and create a panic in your mind. Okay. Now for those who have got a score less than 600, see guys, for you, the pathway is only upwards. You cannot have a stable score or a score which is falling. It can be anything. Suppose even if you are at, suppose 300 or you are at 599, your target score to reach is 700. Yes. So for you, the pattern of study should be anterograde or prospective. In this, again let's put a pie chart. 2 hours for 100 MCQs daily. Again, these 100 MCQs can be anything. It can be CT, TND, SWT. Okay. Or some custom module. 1 hour, you review them. And 1 hour, you should mug up. Mug up what? Mug up things like tumor markers. Mug up things like BNS. Mug up things like vectors in PSM. Things like this. Okay? You are supposed to give GT every 5th day. Again, it can be a GT, it can be a CBT, it can be a mock, anything it can be. You should just be looking into that. Okay? So you can see this totally passes almost 4 hours of your studies. The next 4 hours, you should have a revision session of DVT or LRR. And this 4 hours, you should study your weak topics. Now, there are many students who are messaging me, sir, हमारा pharma कमजोर है, anat कमजोर है, PSM कमजोर है, medicine कमजोर है, whatever it be. You study the weak topics, but the only source for this particular weak topics should be your main notes or back to basics. See, if you want to improve your score, it cannot be done by doing LRR or TND or DVT. Concepts take time. So you have additional 60 days to actually do this job. Yeah. So this is a very simple plan which I have put up for students based on scores. Now let us look into the timelines now. So guys, Your exam is slated on 3rd 8/25, 2nd 8/25 is your chutti or holiday. Please do not have any plans to do anything on this day. 1/8/25 is what you are looking. Now, there is one more landmark coming up, that is on the 20th of July when you have the UPSC exam. Yes, there might be a CBT after this, there might be a CBT before this. That means there are 3 days when you will actually visit a center. Okay? And that is the reason, guys, you should be very clear that you have to have a last 21 day plus 3-day plan. So this 3-day plan is for these exams, the 2 CBT and UPSC. In the 21 days, that is from 1st of August till around 17th of July, you should be very clear that for 7 days you will revise all 19 from LRR. The other 7 days you revise DVT, and the other 7 days morning 9:30 to 1 you have to give GTs daily, because your main exam is actually a grand test plus PYQ ka baap, both the NEET and the INI CET in the afternoon and evening session. That means from today till around like 15 July, you have to go for the anterograde or the retrograde approach which I have explained. Okay? I hope I have given you a very simple plan for you to execute. Now guys, majority of you, please understand, there is no point in going here and there, listening many videos, getting confused. Stick to one plan. That's all I will tell you. Yes? Guys, if you have any queries, any doubts, please do not hesitate to reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. On the Telegram, I have the Agony Aunt channel. Please do not miss out on that. I'm putting daily quizzes over there. On YouTube, I have got the short video series which is going on. If you still have any query regarding exams, please do not hesitate to reach out. Your host, your dost, PSM said on this side, guys, if RCB can win the IPL after 18 years, trust me, you can definitely make the cut this year in the exams. Okay? See you guys. Bye bye. Do not hesitate to reach out if you have any queries.